Gym vocabulary in English. Free weights. Barbell. Barbell. AZ bar. AZ bar. Trap bar. Trap bar. Dumbbells. Dumbbells. Kettlebells. Kettlebells. Weight plates. Weight plates. Accessories and tools. Sandbag. Sandbag. Medicine ball. Medicine ball. Aerobic step. Aerobic step. Ankle weights. Ankle weights. Fitness tracker. Fitness tracker. Foam roller. Foam roller. Gym bag. Gym bag. Gym chalk. Gym chalk. Jump rope. Jump rope. Lifting straps. Lifting straps. Resistance bands. Resistance bands. Stopwatch. Stopwatch. Towel. Towel. Water bottle. Water bottle. Weightlifting belt. Weightlifting belt. Wrist wraps. Wrist wraps. Yoga mat. Yoga mat. Gym equipment. Assisted pull-up machine. Assisted pull-up machine. Cable machine. Cable machine. Calf raise machine. Calf raise machine. Chest press machine. Chest press machine. Elliptical. Elliptical. Exercise bike. Exercise bike. Functional trainer. Functional trainer. Hack squat machine. Hack squat machine. Hip abductor machine. Hip abductor machine. Lat pull down machine. Lat pull down machine. Leg extension machine. Leg extension machine. Leg press machine. Leg press machine. Pec deck machine. Pec deck machine. Rowing machine. Rowing machine. Shoulder press machine. Shoulder press machine. Smith machine. Smith machine. Stair climber. Stair climber. Treadmill. Treadmill.